Hello, I am Aulad Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Taragonia Secondary School, Daulatpur, Kushtia. Welcome to my dear students. I hope you are fine and I am also very well. You have already known about the digital class that's yet going on. So, I wish to take a class of 10 in English. Today, it is selected the topic of transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence. Now, I am going to discuss about the sentence elaborately. At first, you have to know how many types of sentences. There are two types of sentences. What are they? They are one, meaningful sentence, two, structural sentence. I am writing, follow me. One, meaningful sentence. Two, structural sentence. One, meaningful sentence, two, structural sentence. At first, you have to know how many kinds of meaningful sentence. There are 5 kinds of sentences. What are they? They are 1, assertive, 2, interrogative, 3, imperative, 4, optative, 5, exclamatory, and also know another number, emphatic. Emphatic and imperative sentence is same. So, no need to discuss about the emphatic sentence. Okay, my dear students, already you have known about the meaningful sentence. After that, structural sentence, I will treat you. While I will treat you about the structural sentence, you have to listen attentively. Otherwise, you will not realize it, because structural sentence is the most important part of the grammatical portion. At first, you have to know how many kinds of structural sentence. What are they? There are 3 kinds of structural sentence. 1, simple, 2, complex, 3, compound. I am writing these. Follow me, my dear students. One, simple. 2, complex. 3, compound. One, simple, 2, complex, 3, compound. Now, you have to know what is simple, what is complex, what is compound. Firstly, I will discuss about simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple is a sentence in which one subject and one finite verb is called simple sentence. I am giving one example of simple sentence. Because of smallness, he could not work hard. Because of smallness, he could not work hard. This is simple sentence. Here, because of prepositional phrase, smallness, noun form of adjective small. He, here, subject, could not work, finite verb. This is simple sentence. You can make simple sentence in this way. Because of this is prepositional phrase, that means features. There are some features like because of, such as gerund, by plus gerund, without plus gerund, in spite of, despite, owing to, due to, because of, for, to are features. You can make simple sentence using these features. Okay, my dear students. Next, complex. What is complex sentence? Complex is a sentence in which has one principal clause and one more and one subordinate clause is called complex. I am giving one example of complex sentence. Follow me. Since he was small, he could not work hard. Since he was small, this is subordinate clause. He could not work hard. This is principal clause. This is subordinate clause, that means dependent clause. This is principal clause or main clause, that is independent clause. There are two clauses, subordinate clause, principal clause. It has been used two clauses. That's why you can say how many kinds of clauses. There are three kinds of clauses. One, principal clause. Two, subordinate clause. Three, coordinate clause. There are three kinds of clauses. You have known about these clauses. Okay, my dear students. After that, compound. What is compound sentence? Compound is a sentence in which has two principal clauses adding coordinating conjunctions is called compound sentence. For example, he was small and he could not work hard. This is compound sentence. Two clause and coordinating conjunction. This is compound sentence. In this moment, you can make compound sentence in this way. You can follow in complex sentence and in compound sentence. Here, since subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunction. It has since subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunction are used in complex sentence and compound sentence. In this regard, you can say how many kinds of conjunction. There are three kinds of conjunctions. What are they? One, subordinating conjunction. Two, coordinating conjunction. Three, correlative conjunction. What are they? Subordinating conjunctions are when, while, as long as, though, although, as, since, because, till, until, if, unless, so that, in order that, subordinating conjunctions. Next, coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are and, as well as, but, or, also, yet, coordinating conjunction. Finally, what are the correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are either ... or, neither ... nor, both ... and, as ... as, so ... as, other ... than, not only ... but also, correlative conjunction. So, I think that you are clear about the conjunctions. You have already known and heard how many kinds of clauses, how many kinds of conjunctions. You are clear, I think. Okay, my dear students, you can make simple, complex, compound in this way, and also you can interchange among simple, complex, compound in this way. I have to finish my class in due time because time is limited. I think if you practice more and more at your home, you can make a good result. Practice makes a man perfect. You have to remember. And I pray to Almighty Allah for you so that you may shine in life. May Allah bless you. All the best.